we've been going again for a good while, and of course, as soon as we got going, somebody had to call us, right? So here we are, about an hour and 45 minutes down the road already, so maybe even closer to 2 hours already, because you know, it's back roads. We had to slow down for a couple of towns here and there and whatever, but yeah, anyways, we are just cruising down the road here, and thinking about stopping in Duluth and taking my half an hour break over there. And I know you guys know Scott and Lisa from Duluth, right? Well, Lisa is in surgery right now as we speak, and I'm thinking about stopping in there and maybe grabbing me a cab or something, and then go down to a flower store and maybe go pick up a few flowers for her, and you know, just bring them to her, because I care for them, you know, they're nice people, and I would want somebody to stop by and say hi to me when I was, you know, when I'm in the hospital. So why would I not do the same for somebody else, you know? They need it, definitely, and I would need it too. It would be a big comfort for me if somebody did that. If I was in the hospital, I definitely would love it if somebody stopped by, and, you know. And so, I mean, yeah, I would accept flowers too. I really would. I love flowers. And I wouldn't look at you weird either if you brought me flowers. Yep, my wife bought me flowers before. That's right. Yes, indeed. I had them with me in the truck. Some of you guys might even remember it. Yep. Anyways, we'll get on down to Duluth. We got about 100 miles to go, or just a little bit less by now, probably. And then I'm gonna see if they have Uber. I don't think they have Uber yet in Duluth, but I could be wrong. Maybe they have it by now. I doubt it though. But whatever, it doesn't matter. I'll go grab me a cab and go into town and pick up some flowers, and then go down to the hospital. And I don't know if she'll be out of surgery by the time I get there. It's supposed to be a couple hour surgery process, and usually you sleep for a while after that anyways, so I don't think she's going to know when I come, but she'll know afterwards. And so when she wakes up, she'll, you know, get the flowers from Scott and whatever. So yeah, anyways, we'll see what happens. Here we go, guys. We are now coming into Superior, Wisconsin. Yes, indeed, we are. And we just got to go to the other side of town, and that is where Duluth is. And then we're going to go ahead and find out and see if we can grab us a cab or something, and then head on downtown to Duluth and go visit, at least with Scott. Lisa may still be under anesthesia or whatever. She might still be sleeping, but yeah, we'll go into town and I'll probably show you some stuff, so we'll see. All right, guys, we have just gotten our Uber ride down here, and this is the flower place, they say. So let's go in here and see if we can find us some flowers. We have found us a good set of flowers here. Look at that. That's looking pretty good, I think. Anyways, we'll get it taken care of and then go bring it to her. So we have made it. I guess that was the wrong side, so we got to go to this on here. This is what he said. This is where we got to go into. So let's see if we can find him here. Well, apparently that's not it. So we got to go to the other side. It's like get sent from one area to another. So basically got to go around to the side here and enter from over there. So hopefully I can find him in there. Wish me luck. Well, guys, it looks like we have found the man. Yeah, we had to go around the block a few times.
I'm just looking on my iPad there, and it's like, God, it's so far away. It's not updating. And
yeah, they dropped me on the other side. The guy dropped me on the other side and said, that is the main entrance. So then I walked into the other building on the other side, right? That's where he dropped me. Okay. So then they told me, no, it's across the street. So I walked across the street, and they said, no, this is not the main entrance on Ford. So I got to go around. So, yeah, we made it. I hope she'll like those flowers.
Oh, yes. You bet.
Yep. So anyways, we're going to have a little bit of a lunch or something. Of course, the hungry boys have to eat, right?
That's what I figured. Haha, we got us a chicken wrap. Look at that green dough they got up here.
Yeah,
that's different, yeah.
Yeah.
This guy looks like he's real hungry over there. Not sure, but anyways, he's got the club, yeah. So let's get to eating. All right, guys, Mr. Scott is gonna go back upstairs here in a minute, and I'm waiting on my Uber. It says it's gonna be here in a minute, so I gotta say goodbye to this guy and then go back to the truck, right? He should be coming up here in a minute. That's a good thing about the app. You can see where he's at, right? So, all right, my friend Scott, you be good?
All right, and thank you very much, Rudi. I really appreciate
no worries.
it.
All right, see you next time, buddy.
All right,
See ya.
Time to get out of Duluth, guys.
To West Proctor.
Yes, indeed, it is time to leave town. Yeah, unfortunately, we weren't able to see Lisa, but hey, that's how it goes. I kind of suspected that, but I can't help it what time I come through here, right? So at least I was able to come through here out the day that she had the surgery, and was able to get her some flowers and see Spotty a little bit, had lunch together, and here we are, back at it again. Gotta make our way down to our delivery. Still have 280 miles to go, so we got a good ways to go yet. Look at here, guys. We are now way up here in the back roads already for a good while. And matter of fact, speaking, we're only about 20 miles away from getting to our delivery in Roseau. That's right. Looks like that car has got a bad connection for his headlight there. It's flickering there, but anyways, I finally got a response back from dispatch, and sounds like I'm just going to be bobtailing home from Roseau. That's good though. That way I can just go home and do a quick reset, and I'll be good to go again on Sunday. I was thinking about taking the weekend off, but I said, you know what? We only got a week and a half left in February. I really need to get the extra miles in there, you know, because I want to get good miles, right? So I can have me a good payday and all that stuff. So yeah, got our work cut out, but hey, we'll make it happen. We might go to Winnipeg tomorrow and pick up that camera. And I talked to the person that donated to my channel here to get that camera, and they are okay with me mentioning the name. So to find out who it is, you gotta stick around for tomorrow. Yeah, we will do that tomorrow, or when I go get the camera. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be tomorrow, but yeah. Anyways, we'll get on down the road here and go make our delivery and then bobtail home. Well, it's just a drop trailer over there, so I don't actually have to wait till they unload me, right? I have made it home, guys. Yes, indeed. And what do we do when we're home? We eat. No different today. We got us a nice chicken here. Some salad, rice salad. Yeah. We got some other salad as well. And gonna have good supper, that's for sure. Always when we're home, right?